What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a real quick video. I just want to answer some questions. I know there's a lot of new people to the channel, so I'm going to answer a few questions for them because people keep asking me the things I use, stuff like that, which I don't mind. This is what I make these videos for, the cheap way to do it. So I'm going to get right into it. The first question I always have is, what are these? These are Teflon pillows. I get these on Amazon. These are for doing like basically hoodies to puff up the garment. Like if there's like for these, if you're doing like a polo 3 button down, doing left chest, you can puff it up so that way you're not getting the buttons and stuff. I don't have the different platens on my heat press to switch it out. So you can do these like for a leg press, arm press, anything like that. This bigger one I use for hoodies, because the seam where the pocket is, so I use this one when I'm doing a print above the pocket. I use this one right here. You can get these all on Amazon. I'll leave everything in the description that I talk about. This smaller one, I use this basically for smaller clothes, kids hoodies, things like that. So that's what these are. They're Teflon pillows. They're about 16 bucks for this pack on Amazon. The next thing I always get questions about is this t-shirt guide. I also got this on Amazon, I believe for 7 bucks. This is so you could do your left chest, center. I taped mine together because it's easier for me. I use this a lot. So if you're just starting out, these are small things that you could order to get started with your pressing t-shirts, or if you're starting a business, whatever you want to do, get a t-shirt guide. It's on Amazon. Third thing I got is a heat temp gun. Everybody's always asking about this too in the videos. Every heat press is different. You're gonna have the ones that read it off, even the newer ones, but your element in there is always up and down, up and down. Invest in one of these. These are simple tools you could buy when you're just starting off, very cheap. This was only, I believe, $20 on Amazon. This is very good to have, so you can check what you're, because every time you change out, your element's going to be different every time. Every heat press is different, especially if you're using a generic heat press. This is all simple stuff that you could buy to start off. Now, the last thing I got, very simple, lint roller. I got a bunch of these. I was having problems in the beginning. Didn't just starting off like everybody else, and I was getting, lint, everything else on there. The vinyl wasn't sticking. So invest in a lint roller. Always use a lint roller when you're pressing t-shirts, hoodies, whatever. Use a lint roller before you even press the transfer on, whatever. It's very cheap to get into. And like I said, I know there's a lot of newer people to the channel. If you want to start off cheap, under 500 bucks, this is why I make these videos. Go to Amazon. I got videos, I'll link them too. For a cheaper heat press, you can get a heat press for 150 to 200 bucks when you're starting off. Get a vinyl cutter. I'll also touch on that. You can go to Michaels. This is the Michaels, Hobby Lobby brand, the Paper Studio. This one's regular vinyl, but this is their brand. You can get HTV in this brand. Also, I go to Michaels and get Caesar HTV Easy Weed. This is all stuff that you could start off where you don't have to break the bank. And like I said, when I started, I got the Cricut Explorer too. I still use it to this day. Cricut has their own design space. There's tons of designs. I use Adobe Illustrator, but there's tons and tons of different design sites out there that you could purchase. Or like I said, even if you just want to use the Cricut design space to start off, you could make t-shirts out of that. There's very simple ways to start off. So I just wanted to touch on basically the cheaper route I started with, and using heat transfers, Transfer Express, Supercolor, Flash Custom Transfers, they're DTF, but a lot of these places, they have pre-made screen printed transfers. Flash Custom Transfers, they have DTF, but they have ones that are pre-made already. So you can go to these sites, Pro World, Stock Transfers, and you can get started very easy from home and just learning. Like I said, I did tons of videos on this in the past, but just for the newer people that came to the channel, which I appreciate it. I also wanted to say I am still doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 920, I believe. So if you would, subscribe to the channel so you can get a part of that giveaway. I'm gonna do the video after the new year for the giveaway. So that's just a quick video I wanted to get on about basically the cheap way you can go. I'll link everything that I have, the cheap route to start, in the description. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.